Hey friends, if you wish to fix the BHDrvx64.sys blue screen of death error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. So the main solution will be an SFC scan, but we will proceed sequentially. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and go to system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is a malware scan. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar. Go to malware removal tool. Okay, let it load. Click on next. Select full scan. Click on next and let it run through. And the last solution is system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next. Select finish and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.